today we are going to see that how to share the meeting link with the WhatsApp. So let us start. Like I have started Google Meet. You can see over here that I have started Google Meet. Join now. Everyone know how to join. Then meeting details. You want to copy. You have to copy the information, right? I have copied the information and now I will send it to anyone, right? So what I can do, I can paste it over here in WhatsApp web. First of all, you must know how to open the WhatsApp web. So let us start that thing. You will click over here. You will go with WhatsApp web. You will search for it. As you will search over here, it will show you over here that you have to scan the QR code which is there in your mobile phone. If you have not logged out, then please keep it in mind that you have to log out from your WhatsApp web. So like I have retried because I have not logged out from here to show you. So here you can see in the WhatsApp, now I am sending the link and done. So this is the way. You can go the opposite, means the vice versa of it, that you can join, means you can first of all you can share with the students by the WhatsApp, and then you can open the WhatsApp web in your laptop and then click on the link. So the meeting, you can join it as an admin, or you can say by a host. Hope you all have understand that how you can use the WhatsApp web and you can connect your laptop. Please like and subscribe my channel.